In this video, I am going to explain you the attenuation of signal in the optical fiber cable. We all know that optical fiber cables are used for the long distance transmission of the signal. So during the long distance transmission, the problem of the attenuation of the signal is seen. Attenuation is the reduction in the amplitude of the signal during the transmission. This can be explained with the help of the example. Suppose this is the input signal which I am transmitting. This is the input signal. This is the input signal, and at the output side I am getting something like this. And at the output side I am getting something like this. And this is the amplitude of the A1 is the amplitude of the input signal, and A2 is the amplitude of the output signal. So you can see here the amplitude of the output signal is very much less as compared to the input signal. So this is known as attenuation. The amplitude of the signal is reduced during the transmission, and this is known as attenuation. Attenuation is a transmission loss, and it is measured in the terms of the distance traveled by the light ray in the optical fiber cables. And attenuation reduces the intensity of the light. Suppose that Pi is the input power and Po is the output power of the signal. Pi is the input power of the signal and P0 is the output power of the signal. So in ideal condition, input power should be equal to the output power, but due to the attenuation, input power is not equal to the output power. So the attenuation is calculated with the help of the certain formulas, which is here. So the attenuation loss, this is the total attenuation loss in the uh, optical cable, and this can be calculated with the help of this formula, 10 log input power upon the output power. And in some textbook you will find that uh, minus of 10 log P output upon P input. So this formula is also correct. And in examination, if in the place of the input power and output power, input current and output current is given, or the input voltage or output voltage is given, and they tell you to calculate the attenuation loss, then you can calculate just by substituting this input current and output current in this formula. This is 20 log input current upon output current. And so for voltage also, 20 log input voltage upon the output voltage. And this formula is used to calculate the attenuation coefficient, which is represented in the terms of the decibel per kilometer, because here we have divided by the L is the length of the fiber. So this was the easy explanation of the attenuation of the signal in the optical fiber cable.